today's match is 50th win in the Sepak.
Correct. It was very good, and the last lap of the honor which was given to the team, and people were like going crazy. The more wickets of Chennai falling, and people were shouting that Dhoni will come, but no.
There were some other events also post-match which have happened. What happened actually?
There was a lap of honor wherein team was giving the tennis balls and the t-shirts to everyone, and it was very good. The event was good. The match was really good. Dhoni and all the team, every team, everyone. So it was good, very nice.
I'm Sarab, I'm from Chennai only.
Okay.
So like, I'm a very big fan of Dhoni. You can see my mobile wallpaper as well. My jersey, everything, So like, I wanted this to happen, I wanted this helicopter shot to land on a stand. But no, unfortunately, he didn't come to bat. But like at the end, we won the game. That's enough for us. And we have another game in Bangalore. If we win that, we'll go to the playoffs.
There was a lot of events after the match, post-match. Dhoni came and there was a rampage.
Yeah, I got a jersey actually.
You got a jersey.
Yeah. Of
What
course.
happened actually? Post-match?
Like actually, those players they came down the ground and they were throwing these jerseys, hitting the balls in stands and all.
Okay. But my name is Sarunan Nari. I'm born in Chennai. I'm a local boy. Today's match is an important match. The 2 points go to next knockout game. Hopefully go to the Bangalore. Difficult. The RCB continues the power back, continue win. Don't worry. CSK run rate is a very important run rate. Definitely CSK win this year. Definitely fans take the cup. Invite to Dhoni.
Today's match is the 50th win for CSK at the home ground.
This is emotional. 50 வெற்றி என்பது பெருசு கிடையாது. அவ்வளவு ஒரு சின்ன விஷயம் அது கிடையாது. இந்த வெற்றி இன்னும் தொடரணும். I think the 52 win and 51 win the trophy in Chennai Super Kings.
Particularly, there is a lot of speculation about Dhoni's retirement and
lot of only for media. Fans not tell me. The media is a troll. Fans never. Our heart fans thought retired. Dhoni is every home. My God. Yeah, thank you.
What is your special message for Dhoni?
Not message. Every time I am playing, the message send me, come on, take me, not send.
Your message to the fans of Dhoni, particularly who have been in the house.
Little bit, sir. அன்பு இந்த அன்பு மட்டும்தான் இங்க ஆல் ஆஃப் த ஃபேமிலி. 6 முதல் 60 வரை ஃபேன்ஸ் இருக்கு வந்து சென்னை தான். ஓகே, சிஎஸ்கேக்கு கடைசி வரைக்கும் எங்களோட சப்போர்ட் வந்து வெறித்தனமா இருக்கும். தோனி உருவாக்குன ஒரு கோவில், அந்த கோவில்ல என்னைக்குமே நாங்க வந்து ஒரு பக்தனாவும் ஒரு ரசிகனாவும் என்னைக்குமே செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணுவோம். Every IPL home matches, last minute matches, send off the fans the T-shirt and ball. Yeah. Thank you so much.
We saw Dhoni in the field. That is enough for him. Even though he didn't come.
This was prepared by her, so I can show this.
I did this like 3 hours before the match, so. Yeah, I expected Dhoni to come today because it's his last match in Sepak, so I expected him to come, but it's okay. CSK won. I'm happy.
And there is a lot of speculation that he may be missing this. He may announce his retirement, but
I'm happy anyways. He's aging, but.
Today's match is the CSK's 50th home win, right?
Yeah.
What is your?
CSK will win this match also. I am expecting them to win this match. They will win. I'm sure they'll win.
Oh no, actually our expectation was CSK has to win, but as we expected, CSK won the match. But only disappointment is Dhoni didn't come for batting. That was the only disappointment.
And particularly CSK's 50th match win is the home ground. And what was your expectation? occasion, particularly after Dhoni didn't come today, and whenever the cameraman shows him on screen,
They tempted us. No, they know that no very critical. We have very less than to chase it, but Dhoni didn't come. Mostly they tempted. 50th, most than compare than 50th win. It's very crucial for us to enter the playoffs. So obviously it's a very good win.
and about next match and Dhoni's lot of speculation that this season may be Dhoni's last. So what is your opinion?
So actually, we are also expecting the same. That's why this much of crowd has come. We are also expecting the same. We do not want to bother him further. He has given whatever the possible way. He has given to everything to Chennai people and CSK. So better let him take a rest and take care of the team. We are also expecting the same.
Now, what is your expectation next match versus RCB?
Obviously we will win. RCB, no, forget it. So definitely CSK will win. We never bother about RCB.